sir.
Very well.
14 knots now, sir, decreasing.
Very well.
13 knots, continuously decreasing, sir.
Lateral distance 80 yards. Very well.
Speed now, sir, 12 knots.
Very well.
Kailangan
Speed up to port
So,
179.
slow down para
So maybe to put all of that into perspective, before the replenishment exercise between the PRP Diego Silang and the HMAS Tumba, there was a lot of coordination before the two ships even went to sea. On the day itself, kanina, bago nag-approach yung dalawang barko, intense rin yung coordination to make sure that the speeds are right, the distances are right. So consider all of that and consider how dangerous it is then if a ship without prior coordination decides to sail that close to any ship, whether it be Navy or the Coast Guard.